When it comes to choosing windows for your Clearwater home, the weather is a critical factor to consider. Florida's subtropical climate, characterized by high humidity, frequent rain, and intense sunlight, can put a strain on your home's exterior features. Among the various window materials available, vinyl windows stand out as one of the best options for homeowners in Clearwater seeking a long-lasting, durable, and energy-efficient solution. In this article, we'll explore the longevity and durability of vinyl windows in Clearwater's weather, and why they are an excellent investment for your home. Resistant to Florida's humidity and moisture, Clearwater's high humidity levels can be tough on many materials, especially wood, which can warp, rot, or swell over time. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, are highly resistant to moisture, making them an ideal choice for the humid conditions of Florida. Unlike wood frames, which can absorb moisture and deteriorate over time, vinyl frames are non-porous and won't absorb water. This means that vinyl windows won't warp, crack, or decay due to the humidity. Whether it's the constant rain or the moisture-laden air in Clearwater, vinyl windows provide a stable, long-lasting solution that maintains their integrity and appearance for years to come. Durable against saltwater exposure. Living in a coastal area like Clearwater also means dealing with saltwater exposure, especially if you're near the beach. Salt from the ocean can cause metal components to rust and degrade over time, which is a significant concern for homeowners living by the water. Fortunately, vinyl windows are immune to saltwater damage. Unlike wood or metal windows, which can corrode or deteriorate due to salt exposure, vinyl windows do not rust, corrode, or weaken when exposed to saltwater. This makes them particularly ideal for homes near the coast where other materials may require frequent maintenance or replacement. The UV-resistant vinyl frame protects your windows from the effects of salt air, ensuring your investment stays intact for years. UV protection to prevent fading. The Florida sun is another environmental factor that can have a significant impact on the materials of your home. Intense sunlight can cause fading and damage to interior furnishings, flooring, and other items exposed to direct sunlight. Vinyl windows, however, are equipped with UV-resistant coatings that help prevent sun damage. UV rays can cause fading, cracking, or discoloration of window frames over time, but vinyl windows are designed to withstand prolonged exposure to the sun's harsh rays. Many high-quality vinyl windows come with special low emissivity, low E, coatings, which reduce heat transfer and UV damage while allowing natural light to enter your home. This added protection helps keep your windows and interior furnishings looking fresh and vibrant for many years. Long-lasting color and finish. One of the major advantages of vinyl windows is their ability to maintain their color and finish over time. Unlike painted wood frames that can peel, chip, or fade, vinyl frames are infused with color during the manufacturing process. This means the color is baked into the material itself, ensuring it won't peel off or fade due to exposure to the sun or harsh weather conditions. Vinyl windows come in a variety of colors, and the finish is highly resistant to fading and discoloration, even under the harsh Florida sun. This makes them a great option for homeowners who want low-maintenance windows that will retain their aesthetic appeal and value for years without needing constant touch-ups or repainting. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While the durability and longevity of vinyl windows are important, their energy efficiency is another key reason homeowners in Clearwater choose them. Due to Florida's hot and humid summers and cooler winters, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round can be a challenge. Vinyl windows are excellent insulators, helping to regulate indoor temperatures by keeping hot air outside during the summer and cold air inside during the winter. Many energy-efficient vinyl windows are designed with double or triple glazing, filled with insulating gases like argon, and feature low-E coatings that improve the window's thermal performance. This reduces the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home, helping you maintain a more consistent temperature while lowering cooling and heating costs. By investing in energy-efficient vinyl windows, you can improve your home's comfort and reduce your energy bills, all while benefiting from the long-lasting durability that vinyl provides. Low maintenance and easy to clean. Another benefit of vinyl windows is their low maintenance nature. Unlike wood windows that require regular painting or sealing, vinyl windows are virtually maintenance-free. They do not require repainting, sealing, or staining. A simple cleaning with mild soap and water is all that's needed to keep your vinyl windows looking fresh. This low-maintenance aspect is particularly valuable for homeowners in Clearwater, where weather conditions like high humidity and rain can cause traditional materials to deteriorate more quickly. With vinyl windows, you won't have to worry about constant upkeep, making them a hassle-free option that saves you time and money. Affordability and value. Finally, vinyl windows are known for their affordability compared to other window materials like wood or fiberglass. They provide excellent value for homeowners looking for a long-lasting, durable, and energy-efficient window option without breaking the bank. The initial investment in vinyl windows pays off in the long term through lower maintenance costs, energy savings, and enhanced home value. Conclusion: vinyl windows are a smart choice for Clearwater homeowners. If you're looking for durable, low-maintenance, and energy-efficient windows for your Clearwater home, vinyl windows are an excellent choice. They stand up to the harsh Florida climate, offering resistance to moisture, salt exposure, and UV damage, while maintaining their color and finish for years. With their superior insulation and energy efficiency, vinyl windows can help you save money on utility bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Investing in vinyl windows not only boosts your home's aesthetic appeal but also adds long-term value and peace of mind, knowing that you've chosen a window solution built to withstand Clearwater's weather conditions for years to come.